Aba, what is the sound of cat?
Meow.
What about the dog? What about the horse? And a goat?
Quack.
What about the bird?
Duck.
And a duck?
Quack.
What about a pig? What about a pig? Oink oink.
Yeah.
Yes. What about the tuko? No tuko? What about the cow? Moo. What about the goat?
Quack.
Very good.
Tuko.
Tuko.
Ne.
Nana, walang tuko.